Welcome back to Boats vs. Haulover, where Man and Machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet, Miami, Florida. But if you can't tell, we are not at Haulover. We've taken a field trip over to Boynton Beach Inlet. And I see this question asked a lot in forums. Can I take my wake boat offshore? And usually the answers are no. It's just not a good idea. But my man right here, he's heading out and proving them all wrong. This is one of the first times that I've actually seen a wake boat go out of the inlet. And it seemed to do just fine. It's not an overly huge day here at Boynton. We do have a nice little wind chop offshore, but nothing too crazy. And overall, he's going to look pretty good. But still, we're going to do our normal thing here, which is a 5-round competition where Man and Machine take on Mother Nature to see who will be victorious. And let's go ahead and get our competition started. And what better way to start this competition off than with one of my favorites, that full send guy. Here we're going to see this little Key West pounding its way toward Boynton Beach Inlet. Here we can see they've pretty much got this throttle wide open. Sometimes it's kind of hard to tell how fast the boat's going when we put it on the camera and it's coming directly at us like this. But you'll see as it approaches, this thing's getting air, this crew's getting loose, and they're having a good time out there, but they are also kind of hauling tail for a boat this size and a little bit of a wind chop that we got out here. But let's see if they keep that throttle down as they approach the standing wave that's usually here in the middle of the inlet. Today it's not overly crazy, but this crew is going to blast their way right through it, and they're going to hold on and take a win for the boats here in the first round. Our second round contestant is going to show you that this is not exclusive to Haulover, but there's a such thing as the Boynton Beach deck rents as well. And here we can see this Regal coming out of Boynton Inlet, and they're doing the slow roll approach, and this is the standing wave we have at Boynton that can get a little wild sometimes, and this crew takes a wave over the bow and gets everybody wet right off the bat. And they'll continue their slow roll approach out of the inlet. Once again, it's a little bit of a rough day. Nothing too crazy out here today, but this crew looks like they'll make it out the rest of the way all right. But it doesn't matter. The damage has been done. They took a wave over the bow, and that's an automatic loss here in Boats vs. Haulover, and Boynton will take the second round to tie things up at 1 apiece. Our third round contestant is going to show us what it's like when you come rolling through Boynton Inlet and you decide you're going to have a date night out at the inlet. And here we're going to see this pursuit come blasting its way through the inlet. I'll tell you what, this was a common theme in this day out here at Boynton. We saw a lot of boats just full sending it throttle down. I think it's because the wave size wasn't overly huge today, even though it is a small chop. Sometimes that's one of the better things you can do in a small light chop like this is get up on plane, get that boat above the waves, and kind of just let it ride on the top of the waves, as you'll see this vessel's doing here. Here they're going to approach our standing wave in Boynton, and these guys aren't backing off on the throttle either. They're going to pound their way through it and take a win for the boats in this round. Now, even though I say we saw a lot of boats coming out here full sending it, we did see a few of these as well, and this is where they take that slow roll approach through Boynton. This scow absolutely has the potential, especially on a day like today, to absolutely destroy this inlet. But instead they chose the slow roll approach and kind of get manhandled a little bit here in the soup as they start coming into the inlet. You can see here as they start to approach the standing wave, the current's pulling back so hard it almost brings this vessel to a stop. Now they're not doing anything overly wrong, nothing dangerous, and nothing that's really going to do anything too terrible here, but for them to come through and slow roll the inlet like this in this vessel tells me that Boynton had to have some kind of intimidation factor on this crew. And for that reason alone, I'm actually going to go ahead and give Boynton Inlet the win in this round. And that will bring us to a 2-2 tie as we head into our 5th and final round to see who will be victorious this week. Will it be Boynton Beach or will it be the boats? And the boats look like they're going to come out finishing strong. Here we're going to have this contender come rolling out of the inlet, and kind of like we've seen a lot of today, we're going to see these guys roll out full send style, throttles down, and blast their way right out of Boynton Beach and blast their way into a win. And of course that will give the boats the win in this episode. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. This was our first trip down to Boynton. Let us know in the comments below what you thought. Boynton sometimes can get really rough, so we're hoping to catch a couple of those days over here as well, and hoping to give you some more original content from Boynton Beach as well. Thanks for watching once again. If you enjoyed the content, please check out our other channels. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there. And we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.